Hey guys, in this part we talk about Lambda in Python. Lambda is a small anonymous function. A Lambda function can take any number of arguments, but can only have one expression. So, syntax. The syntax is Lambda keyword and arguments and expression. And the expression is executed and the result is returned. So create a lambda. X equal to lambda a as argument and expression is a plus 10, and print x and a is 5. Save and run, and we have 15. And lambda functions can take any number of arguments. So for example, we have a and b, and the expression is a plus b. Save and b is 6. Save and run, and we have 11. And summarize the arguments a, b, and c and return the result. So add c and a plus b plus c, and c is 10. Save and run, and we have 21. And why use lambda functions? The power of lambda is better shown when you use them as an anonymous function inside another function. Say you have a function definition that takes one argument, and that argument will be multiplied with an unknown number. So define a function def myfunc and get n as a number and return a lambda a is argument and a multiply n, and use this function definition to make a function that always double the number you send in. So create a my doubler equal to myfunc and n is 2, and print my doubler as a lambda and n is 2 and a is 11. Save and run, and we have 22. And you can use the same function definition to make a function that always triples the number you send in. So my tripler equal to myfunc and n is 3, and print my tripler and a is 11. Run, we have 22 and 33.